Do you need a Microsoft account for OneDrive in Windows? Have you ever wondered if you really need a Microsoft account to use OneDrive on your Windows device? Let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and it is built right into the Windows operating system. This means that if you want to take advantage of OneDrive, signing in with a Microsoft account is a must. When you set up your Windows device, you will often be prompted to sign in or create a Microsoft account. This account is essential for accessing OneDrive's features. Without it, you won't be able to sync your files between your local device and the cloud. This integration allows you to store your important documents and access them from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. There are two types of Microsoft accounts you can use with OneDrive. The first is a personal Microsoft account, which is typically used for services like Outlook.com and Xbox Live. The second type is a work or school account, which is managed by organizations that use Microsoft 365 or Azure Active Directory. If you are using OneDrive for personal use, you will likely want to sign in with your personal account. However, if you are using OneDrive for business, then your work or school account is the way to go. So, what happens if you don't sign in with a Microsoft account? Unfortunately, you won't be able to use OneDrive at all. The OneDrive Sync application requires authentication to connect to the cloud service. This means that features like file backup, sharing, and collaboration are all tied to your Microsoft account. Without it, you are left without access to these useful tools. For personal users, having a Microsoft account allows you to back up important files and access them across multiple devices. This is especially handy if you switch between a laptop and a tablet, for example. On the other hand, business users benefit from OneDrive for Business, which allows for secure collaboration and document storage using their organizational credentials. The OneDrive Sync application comes pre-installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. However, to fully utilize its features, signing in with a Microsoft account is necessary. Some features, like offline access and background syncing, also relying on this authentication. In summary, if you want to use OneDrive on your Windows device, having a Microsoft account is essential. It connects your local files with the cloud, allowing for seamless access and storage. Whether you are using it for personal or business purposes, a Microsoft account is the key to unlocking OneDrive's full potential.